No mommy's way. I'll event.
Why is she just letting Tommy just suck her? Like even his tongue grew. Like
what is Tommy? What is the mom letting him do?
Suck him. I mean suck him.
But Life of Luxury could be no more. No. What are you talking about? What do you mean there's more Life of Luxury? I told you, they were gone.
朋友是一个坚
No, I told you, Sean, that we weren't going to do any more Life of Luxury. We did it on that unreleased episode of the podcast.
朋友是一个坚韧不拔的金朋友是一个坚韧不拔的金
I guess we have to do that then. Idiot.
Hey yo!
So we weren't expecting Life of Luxury to come back so soon.
No, nah,
Since when was the last episode?
Soon as in a week ago, as you can see.
Yeah. So it's been 3 months, and I think whenever I released that video with Dominic, it was like a month ago. So yeah, Life of Luxury.
Yeah.
What the frick?
Yep,
Life of Luxury is back when we thought it was going to be gone for like forever. But apparently, they're back now, so.
Let's go.
Let's go. And guess what? Dominic's not here. We got Sean back.
Yo.
I mean, you showed up for like a few seconds in the video because I was doing like a flashback and stuff. But yeah, he's back, and we're going to be watching Life of Luxury. And from seeing from the thumbnail, we're going to be in for a treat. And it's a lot shorter than No, never mind. Oh, yeah.
Never mind.
Never mind. So yeah, let's watch Life of Luxury. And if you guys thought it was dead too, smash like.
Smash like.
So yeah, Life of Luxury is back. And as you can see, they posted a video about a week ago. So that's something. I was not expecting them to return as quickly as they did, but they're back. And let's watch.
Yes, time for the spookies.
Her mom's pregnancy is none of our business. And what if her mom is dangerous?
Excuse me. Hold on. Pregnancy. What are you doing? What have you been doing the last 3 months, huh? Yeah, I'm looking at you, Chester and Parker. You got some explaining to do, misters.
Misters.
You got some explaining to do. Come on, man. Man, so what?
Oh dear.
Who's peeing?
Like my water broke.
Oh. What?
This is where she's gonna have the babies. Push! Keep pushing!
What? Huh? Alrighty then.
Okay, I was not expecting that gross. What?
Huh?
What is that? Is that another Tommy?
Oh, not again. What?
What was that? But what even is that? We gotta like analyze it.
We need to do a deep analysis.
Oh, it's armless. I thought it had an arm. I was like, what?
Oh yeah, no.
Man, that kind of looks like Nemesis in a way.
Bro, it looks.
And maybe it's blurry, and I think it looks like a Nemesis, but I don't know what that is. Maybe we'll get a better view whenever the video starts.
Yeah.
Hello, Lux Army.
Yeah, they're back.
7 million subscribers. We never thought we would get this far, and we're really grateful for you. Let's try to hit 8 million subs next. And let's hit 100,000 likes for the next episode to be released.
Nice.
So for this episode, we were contacted by a girl named Lucy who is concerned because her mom, Gloria, became pregnant, and she thinks her mom conceived the baby in an unnatural way. Lucy thinks that if her mom gives birth, there's going to be something horribly wrong with the baby. She isn't even sure how her mom became impregnated, and since carrying this child, her mom has become...
Are we supposed to talk about the birds and the bees in this episode? I don't know.
Yes.
Is that in the list of things we have to talk about? Oh my god, Absolutely. It is. Alright guys, let's do a little short Pokemon break. I got like 4 Pokemon cards right here.
Yes, we're gonna...
So we have this one. It's like a little lion. No, it looks like a tiger. Looks like a little tiger. And you see that? Hey, Sean can't see it, but...
I cannot see that.
So we got that one. It's fire. And then we got like not a polar bear, like a panda bear. And that's pretty cool. Yeah, it's pretty strong. And then we got some sort of like catfish. Yeah, kind of like that. You know. Yeah. And then we got this. All right. That finishes off our Pokemon thing.
Speaking of Pokemon, hey guys, did you know that in between of male humans and female Pokemon?
Shut up! When I start hearing that, I'm like, wait a minute. No, I'm sorry. All right, pause, man. All right, resume. Keep going.
No, you can go ahead.
Really bad. She sent us this video for proof.
What? But what's wrong with that?
What?
Can you not?
Mom?
Now Lucy thinks her mom is going to give birth soon, and she needs our help convincing her not to go through with the childbirth.
Wait a minute. Are we talking about... What?
Or something horrible will be born.
Like
so tonight, we're going to drive to their house and see what's going on with this
Jeff Bezos.
But first, a quick word from our sponsor.
Hold on a minute. Yeah, that one.
Blocks is so hard!
Bro, what are you doing?
I'm playing Blocks, but it's so boring! I wish I had a cool game I could play!
If
it's Raid Shadow Legends,
just download Raid.
I knew it!
Oh my god, Shadow Legends? What's that?
There we go.
Bro, why are we getting involved with this family? Her mom's pregnancy is none of our business.
Exactly.
Because Lucy says her mom has become unstable. It's not right to leave this girl alone with her.
But there's nothing we can do about that.
Whoops.
And what if her mom is dangerous?
Dude, I think Lucy's just exaggerating. She's probably jealous this new baby is going to take her mom's attention away from her. It's called sibling jealousy.
Bro.
Sean, cover your ears. Alright, you got your ears covered? Alright. That's it. Uncover your ears.
Okay, I got it.
You don't have a psychology degree. And what are we going to do when it's time for her mom to give birth?
You don't need a piece of paper.
Who said that?
Just drive
Who
there
said
and find
that?
out
Who
more
said
about the
tickle it?
situation.
Did you say that?
Okay.
It's always at night. They always decide to drive at night.
Yes. I swear that's also the same road every time.
Yeah.
Your destination is on the right.
Alright, we're here.
Huh.
Let's
go knock and talk to the dog.
Hang on a minute.
Wait a minute. It's not the same house from the Tommy video, I know that.
Grass. Huh?
At least we always make like fun of them for like knocking weirdly.
Yes.
Hey, I know this is weird, but your daughter emailed us. She says she's concerned about you.
No, that was me.
What?
I emailed you.
Huh?
Wait, so your mom is pregnant?
Yes, she's extremely pregnant.
Yeah, it's called super pregnant.
Well,
Super
can we
pregnant.
come in and see her?
Yeah, she's in the other room. Follow me.
Oh, wait.
Okay, come on.
Absolutely not.
How old is her mom?
Follow the stranger into her house.
Yep. I bet Parker was like, "Oh, it's gonna be a young lady. Like, we're gonna try to do that bit again." That happens,
Oh no,
bro. That acting.
she was just there.
Ding.
She's gone.
Acting
Well, where did she go?
up.
I don't know. She's
A bum.
really unstable tonight.
Hold on.
Chester, where are you going?
We just gotta go to the car.
Leaving.
Going so soon.
Granny.
Oh.
What's up?
Granny.
Granny from the hit game. Granny.
You can't leave now. I'm baking you my special cookies.
Don't take the cookies.
Don't.
It could be filled with drugs or edibles. Don't ask me how I know. I just heard stories.
Weed.
Don't eat the brownies, okay? Because I know some of you guys would probably eat those brownies. You would thank me later when you don't eat them. And then someone else gets high, okay?
Is that her mom?
Huh.
Alright, well, we need to sit down and talk with them.
Bro,
Could you not? Stop looking at me. Thank you.
Cookie.
Is that an empanada?
Well, it was like bread. Not
Okay, can you please?
Bro, what? That... Maybe I should have watched this in advance.
Yep. No, these live. No. Can't get a reaction like that.
That... Jesus Christ, man.
Okay.
Oh, the cookies are gone. Thank God.
Thank you for sitting down.
It's my pleasure.
You're what?
Yeah, so Lucy, you emailed us because you're
What is
concerned
up
about
with
your
her
mother
face?
Gloria's
I don't know.
pregnancy.
This isn't natural. She's 78 years old.
70? Yeah.
I don't know how this.
I mean, it's rare, but it can happen.
Yes.
Yeah. So it shouldn't
It's
be
not
that.
good if it happens, but still.
I mean, it's going to be extremely painful because they're old, but it
Yes.
has happened.
Yes.
happened.
Have you tried asking her how she conceived this baby?
How could I ask
Her face like,
She lost her mind years ago.
Hey, Mom, how did you get pregnant?
Michael
Well, you see, dear, your father and I loved each other very much.
Don't you start saying.
Dad?
Did we just predict the birds and the bees?
Yes. Yes, we did.
Has been dead for 10 years, Mom.
No. Don't.
No.
No. Don't.
No.
Don't you say it. If you. Don't you say it.
Gloria, this isn't natural for you to have
What was that? Is that
Bro.
Give me your hand. All right, there we go.
Bro.
a baby at this age. Please tell us, how did you become pregnant?
Uh-oh. Huh?
Oh.
Oh dear. It seems like my water broke.
Oopsie. Dude, my socks are getting wet.
That's a lot
Lucy,
of water.
I think your mom is going into labor. You need to help us get her set up.
Oh, yeah, I have something for her, my car.
Okay.
Dude, where's she going?
All right.
Chester. I think she's coming right back.
No, she's sleeping.
No, she's just left. She bailed.
Freaking bailed.
She bailed.
Bro, she's gone. She's not coming back.
Come on, we gotta go help Gloria. Her water broke. That means she's going into labor.
Bro, I don't even think that.
Hello, boys.
Now you don't hello
Gloria,
boys us,
your
okay?
water broke. We gotta get you set up. You're gonna have your baby.
Do you two want to do a puzzle?
What?
Puzzle? Gloria, are you ready to give birth now?
Ah, not yet. I have to find some games for us to play.
Before we eventually continue, this video is sponsored by Gamer Subs. I'm just kidding. Imagine that being my first sponsorship.
That's crazy.
Gamer Subs, Schlatt, you looking at me? Please.
Gamer Schlatt.
Please. I'm gonna get some Gamer Subs. I bought some. I'm gonna try it. I got the free samples. And I got a waifu cup too.
Bruh. That. Bro.
So-
I want a waifu cup.
You want one too?
I don't know.
There's some on. Well, there's only one on. Well, two on sale. One's on pre-order, but I got the one on pre-order.
Dang.
So I'll get you some. Okay, I'll get you some Gamer Subs.
Okay. Gamer Subs.
Yeah.
Dude, this old lady's nuts. Let's just go to her car.
Bro, sooner or later, she's gonna give birth. If she's actually having a baby, we need to be here to make sure it's born properly.
But you're not doctors.
But she's too old to have a baby. And why would her daughter live?
Bro, why does he got
There's
his
something
feet
sick
out?
going
Because
on
his
here.
shoes got wet.
Yeah, that's what we're trying
Bro.
to find out. I'm gonna set up some cameras to record her. Then let's go to sleep.
What?
Okay. Huh?
Sleep.
Where? Cookies.
Don't. Nuh-uh. Chester, don't.
No. Oh. Yeah, no. No.
We go to sleep. Interesting.
Where? Where do you go to sleep at?
Where? Where?
Where?
Is this going to be a 2-night thing?
2 nights at Freddy's.
5 Nights at Freddy's. You seen the new trailer?
I haven't yet, no. But I saw that came out.
Is that the same lady?
Yeah. Well, actually, hold on. Is that the same lady?
Is it?
I don't know. Hold on. Go back. The hair is different.
Yeah, the hair's different. Huh.
Huh.
How are they asleep? Oh.
And,
Go to night. Go to cam 11. Wind up the music box. Come on. Oh. What? it go?
Orbs.
Yeah, a lot of orbs. What? I thought that was an orb. I was like, huh?
Huh? You're so creature.
Oh.
Oh dear. That's not normal.
Jump scare. No.
No jump scare.
But you were just. Uh-oh. Wake up!
Wake up!
Wake up! There's some. Now they wake up.
Well, Chester wakes up.
Uh-oh.
Dude, do you hear that?
Bro, he did not have a shirt on before. Where did he get that?
Wait, what? Vessel?
Huh. Excuse me. See, look, he does not look. He doesn't have a shirt on. There's no like line.
Huh.
Dude, do you hear that?
Look at that. Okay.
Vessel of what? A demon?
What's she doing?
Trying to open the door, you idiot.
Come on.
Okay.
Stay in the room. Oh, he does have a shirt on.
Y'all done made a mistake.
Is she there?
Oh.
No.
It's time for me to give birth now.
You could have just said that. You could have avoided that whole interaction if you just said that.
Come on, let's go help her have this baby.
Dude.
What?
Behind the ha. Behind the ha.
What? I think she's in here.
Okay.
Miss Lady, can you
boy.
please shut up? Uh-oh. Ew! She poo-poo!
This is where she's gonna have the baby. Now, come on, you gotta help me deliver it.
Why do you look down?
It's okay.
How long is her water gonna break?
It's okay.
Push!
Push. Push.
It's leaving my body!
Keep pushing. Who was it?
I don't know.
Is she dead?
What is this stuff?
Is that the same stuff that Tommy makes?
Oh no.
Other thing too?
What is that?
What?
Follow it.
It's Bindi.
It's the ink demon.
One of them
It's the ink demon.
What?
What's in there?
No.
Ruh-roh, Shaggy. Oops.
It's gone. Wait.
Uh-oh.
I mean, you closed the door, so I had a chance to leave, so.
Where'd it go?
Behind you. Or not. You're just over there.
Oh, it is Nemesis!
It's Nemesis.
Oh my god! I was right. Get Jill Valentine, she knows what to do.
Yeah.
They finally leaving?
Yep, they just leave.
Oh,
No,
What the
nope.
hell is that thing?
I don't know. Did it follow us?
perhaps.
Perchance.
Yep. Jump scare. Or not.
Or not.
It is. It's a mask. Oh, we got arms now. Yeah, just slip back in there, just like that.
Okay.
Just,
Yeah, that's how that works.
Oh, now don't like use it like a Gundam or like a Power Ranger or like a Evangelion or Godzilla.
For Godzilla.
Here's to the ones that we got.
What?
Dude, there's something there.
What?
Close the door. Uh-oh. Don't you dare come close, please. Oh, whoa.
What are they doing?
Whoa.
It's a... Close the door! Whoa.
Bro, that looked like a massive freedom.
Now just get out of there. Just go.
Here's to the ones that we got.
Chester, what? Keep running! My God.
Oh my God.
Gloria's dead.
Yeah.
Yeah, Gloria's dead. That's why.
Yeah.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Let's try to smash 100,000.
Wow, that was something.
That was an episode.
That was something. Wow, that was strange. We're probably going to make a part 2 of that.
Yeah.
But yeah, that was Life of Luxury. That was something.
That was something.
Those cookies really disgusted me.
Disgusting.
Disgusting. But yeah, that was Life of Luxury, and I hope you guys like it. I didn't. out of the now 6 that we've done, I have to say the Tommy stuff is kind of better.
Yeah, I mean they decided to make part 2 of it.
Yeah, you have seen it, Sean, so that's nice. Even though we haven't recorded that since I did it with Dominic.
Yeah,
it won't make sense if we had 2 of the same recordings for the same video.
Yeah,
but
yeah.
So if you guys enjoyed, hit that like button. If you guys want to see another episode, just do that like goal for
also hit the like button
and hit the like button.
Yes.
Button here. I'm doing 3 scary games, so perhaps by the time this is come out, it's already out. So I'll do those every 2 weeks. So the next one's gonna be 2 more 3 scary games. So yeah, like and subscribe, and I don't know. Don't get pregnant. I don't know.
Don't get or else.
or else. Or else.
Yeah.
Alright. Alright. Bye bye.
Yes.